Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the egg basket puzzle.
This puzzle was designed by Akaki Kumeri from Japan. Difficulty level of the egg puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective of the puzzle is to remove all pieces from the basket and then put them back inside the basket. The egg puzzle is a part of Akaki's Picnic Basket series. There are more than 10 puzzles in this collection. All puzzles have completely different solution, even though they look very similar since the frame, the basket is exactly the same in all puzzles, but the pieces inside are completely different. They have different shape, different color, and different solution. And some of them are extremely difficult, some of them are a little bit easier to solve. The egg puzzle, as well as all other puzzles from Akaki Picnic Basket series, were 3D printed. Both the basket and the pieces are 3D printed. The egg puzzle has 4 pieces, and you have to figure out the way how to remove them and put them back inside. If you take a closer look at the top part, here you will find that it looks like there are 4 pieces here, but actually you can see here only 3 out of 4. The last piece is hidden inside. That means that you have to remove all 3 pieces on the top, and then you will be able to find the last one. And as always, all puzzles from Akaki's Picnic Basket series requires at least 1, sometimes even more rotations to solve the puzzle. And that's what makes these puzzles interesting to solve, unique, and quite tricky sometimes. If you like the egg puzzle and you wanna try to solve it, you can buy it at puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.